Christmas jumper number 2. Today I'm going to be covering Deck the Halls, which is an awesome Christmas tune, and I think we'll do Silent Night. I like to do a fast one and a slow one together. So Deck the Halls and Silent Night. Grab a whistle in D, follow along with the notes on screen, pause to practice, listen to that music, play along with me. You guys know what you're doing right now. Tabs, whistles, go! Christmas! Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed these two. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, keep being awesome. If you haven't checked out my merchandise already, there is CutiePie merchandise available. You might see links underneath this video, but I'll also put a link in the description where you guys can check out my Zazzle store. There are loads of cool things on there to buy people for Christmas if you haven't already, especially the tin whistlers in your lives. So yeah, check it out. As well, don't forget to check me out on Coffee and Patreon. Links are in the description below. You guys have been really generous there lately, and that is absolutely incredible. I love you so much for all your support, so thank you for that. Don't forget to check out my other Christmas tunes here on YouTube. There are 3 videos up now, but I've only got space for 2 because I'm here. Anyway, until next Friday when we get some more Christmas tunes, happy whistling. I'll see you guys Tuesday for a normal tune. Until then, stay awesome. Bye.